it is fucking hot as all hell out here. I keep forgetting to put it on 10 minutes, but it is. Oh my lord, God! It is so. It, it's so hot. I, like I'm out here, okay? It's hot as hell. I come back inside and I am sweating. I've been out here for like I don't even know, like 3 times, and every time I came back inside, I was so fucking sweaty. It wasn't even funny. What the hell? Okay, but it's there's a lot of clouds out here. It's just really hot. I don't want to blind you by the sun. I don't know what I was about to show y'all. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's just really hot out here. Really sunny. I don't know. This place is weird. It was really fucking cold last night. Y'all, I bet y'all could hear my shivering last video, and then it suddenly becomes so fucking hot. I'll make an update tomorrow.